All right, listen up. This is Master Chief. First off, remember, shaving is like a tactical operation. You need the right tools for the job. Your razor? That's your MA5, your trusty assault rifle. Precision and control are key. A good, sharp blade is like a well-maintained weapon. Absolutely essential. Prep your face like you're gearing up for a mission. Use hot water or a steamy towel to open up the pores, just like we prep our armor systems before deployment. This softens your beard, making it easier to get a close shave, reducing the risk of skin irritation. Now, apply your shaving cream. Think of it like applying camo paint. Even and thorough. This layer is your first line of defense against nicks and cuts, and it helps the blade glide smoothly across your skin. When you start shaving, take it slow and steady. Each stroke should be deliberate, like a well-planned maneuver. Don't rush. Overconfidence can lead to mistakes. Shave with the grain first, like blending in with the enemy. This minimizes irritation. If you need a closer shave, you can go against the grain later. But be cautious. It's like moving into unknown territory. Rinse your blade often. A clogged blade is like a jammed rifle. Ineffective and dangerous. Keep your equipment clean and operational. Post-shave care is critical. Rinse your face with cold water to close the pores, similar to a system's cool-down after a heavy firefight. Then, apply an aftershave balm or moisturizer to soothe and protect your skin, like applying biofoam to a wound. Remember, shaving, like combat, requires patience, precision, and preparation. Take care of your equipment, and it'll take care of you. Stay sharp out there. Chief out.